Surpass, balik trading na ulit simula bukas, January 17, 2022. Do you still recall kung ano nga ba yung nangyari dito? Bakit siya nasuspend? And what are my thoughts really on its return sa trading for tomorrow? Lahat ng to susubukan natin sagutin in the next couple of minutes. So tune in, quick intro lang muna tayo. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of Stocksilog, and today pag-uusapan natin all about Surpass. But before that, syempre question of the day muna tayo. Ikaw ba, what are your thoughts about the return of Surpass sa trading floor tomorrow? If you like this type of video, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel. By the way, this is a clip taken from our live stock 21 session nung Friday, January 14, 2022. Okay, I'll be placing the full link sa my description box. Okay, so let's start.
Now, ano bang kwento dito kay Surpass? So, way back noong 2020, September 21, 2020, no? Ito. Let's try to open it. Ayan. So, nagkaroon ng material information dito related sa MOA with Wavemaker Group Inc. Okay, with Wavemaker Group Inc. Okay? So, interesado si Wavemaker to buy shares kay Surpass. Okay? Now, usually kapag ka mga ganun yung case, then nagkakaroon ng suspension, no? That is for the company para magbigay ng more information about ano yung pwedeng maging effect nung disclosure na yon sa company, so that the investors would have an idea kung ano yung kumbaga overall effect nito sa kanila. Okay? So because of that, nagkaroon ng actually ano lang siya, temporary suspension, no? Kasi ang hihingi ng PSE dito is yung full disclosure kung ano yung full effect. Until the company provide the disclosure or yung information na yon, hindi sila malilift. And unfortunately, hindi sila nagbigay that time. And then fast forward a year and a half, no? A year and a half ngayon lang, no? And ito yung problema. I tried to read through very quickly lang na read out dito kanina, no? And I was actually medyo na-disappoint ako on the disclosure. Okay? Kasi what happened pala is that 'di ba yung to review, no? Noong September 21, 2020, ang news is that the Wavemaker is planning to acquire a share kay Surpass. Diba? Pero, ito yung nangyari pala, no? Itong part niya, no? There was a failure to close a transaction way back December 31, 2020. So, hindi nag-materialize yung pagbili ng shares ni Wavemaker. Now, I am disappointed in a sense na if you check, the news came about September 20, 2020. Tapos, meron na palang failure to close December 31, 2020 pa. So, ang question ko rito is, what happened between December 31, 2020 hanggang January 6, 2022. It's almost a year, no? Na they could have, sa akin lang to this is just my personal thought, no? They could have provided this information and then resume ng trading nung 2021 pa. But they didn't do that. No? Instead, they waited for 2022 to happen. Ang speculation ko dito is that maybe they are still trying to renegotiate or find another investor, no, potential. I think yun lang yung reason. Pero 12 months have passed, mukhang wala. Okay? So, ayun, because of that, nagbigay na sila ng information and makakabalik na sila, I think, on Monday. Lifting is on January 17. So, Monday makakabalik na si Surpass. Okay? So, yan. That's what happened with Surpass. No? Thoughts. So, yun. Medyo disappointed ako dun sa part na yun. No? Now, this is my personal opinion on this matter. What can happen sa pagbalik nila ng trading, no? If we recall, Surpass is magkano yung trading nito? 55 cents. Yeah, 55 cents. And it was downtrend that time, no? I think nagkaroon na yung sideways na nakita natin dito is because of that that potential buyout or acquisition, no, ni Wavemaker. Now, I am not really positive about this one. So, medyo kinakabahan ako, no, for the holders ni Surpass. Kasi number one, my expectation is that those people na makakalaya, baka mag-unahan sila to sell their shares. Kasi ang tagal nilang nakulong di ba? 1.5 years. Number two, I don't see a positive catalyst para mag-boost. Hindi man mag-boost, pero at least for any trader na bibili or maging interested na bumili kay Surpass the moment na ma-lift or the moment na maging tradable na siya sa market. Diba? So, kaya medyo alanganin ako sa kanya. Plus the fact na based on the disclosure, PSE have lifted yung static threshold. Ibig sabihin nun, walang ceiling, walang flooring si Surpass. So I'm actually excited pero kinakabahan. Excited in a sense na gusto ko makita kung ano magiging movement. Pero kinakabahan kasi I'm concerned about doon sa mga may hawak ng Surpass. No? Kasi ang expectation ko is it might not go well, no, on the lifting date. I hope I'm wrong, no, sana mali ako, pero wala lang, just my gut feels ika nga. Okay, so yan, that's my thought on Surpass.
And there you go mga kapatid, that's just a quick discussion on the lifting of Surpass trading starting tomorrow. Once again, yung ating question of the day, what are your thoughts on Surpass starting tomorrow? Plano mo ba siyang bilhin kung wala ka pang hawak, or do you plan to sell it the moment na maging tradable na siya sa market? Once again, if you like this type of video, hit that subscribe button, and syempre like nyo na rin yung video, and then comment nyo lang sa comment box, okay, yung mga sagot ninyo on the question of the day. Once again, this is Mike of Stocksilog. Thank you for tuning in, and see you on the next video.